In this video, I will show you how to fix Deepseek server VC. So if you encounter a server VC option on Deepseek, first thing that you can do is to just refresh the page. Just click onto this refresh icon right here or click on F5 onto your actual keyboard and you should be able to send in here a message to them again and then they can reply and you should be able to see if the actual server is still busy or if it's actually functioning clearly. Now, if you think that it's okay, you can just go on. However, if it's not, you can head over right here to a new tab. And then what we can do is we can ask it, is DeepSeek down? Now, from in there, you should be able to see in here the status.deepseek.com. Head over and then click on it, and you should be able to see in here if it's actually down. So you can see in here that they have some red options, which means that there's actually an outage onto the DeepSeek server itself. But as of right now, it's actually onto the actual green right here, which means it's working and it may be a problem with your internet. So what we can do is we can head over right here to our Wi-Fi and then just change your connection or internet connectivity and see if it actually works on DeepSeek again. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.